Hey, hi, hello, dear friends. Welcome to Roshan's English World. I am delighted to welcome you all to today's spoken English session where we will be mastering the art of formal introductions. Whether you are attending a business event, a professional meeting, or a conference, knowing how to introduce yourself confidently and professionally can make a lasting impression. Imagine, my dear friends, you walk into a business conference and you see professionals from different companies networking. You know that first impressions matter. What would you say? How would you introduce yourself confidently? Today, we will learn exactly how to do that. Why are formal introductions important? They help build professional relationships. They create a positive first impression. They boost your confidence in English conversations. Thus, let's watch a simple yet effective introduction between two professionals at a business event. Now, let's practice. I want to each of you to turn the person next to you and introduce yourself formally as if you are at business event. Use the structure we just learned. Let us start without any late. Today's session will be going to a very interesting manner. Okay, dear friends, get ready. Good morning. My name is Rajesh Sharma. I work as a senior analyst at Infosys. It's a pleasure to meet you. Good morning, Mr. Sharma. My name is Priya Mehta. I am a project manager at TCS. It's a pleasure to meet you as well. How are you today, Mrs. Mehta? I am doing well, thank you. And how about you? I am doing well too. Thank you for asking. Is this your first time attending this conference? No, I attended last year as well. It was a great experience. How about you? This is my first time. Actually, I have heard great things about it. Yes, it's a great platform for networking and learning about the latest trends in our industry. That sounds wonderful. I am looking forward to the keynote speech later today. Me too. I believe it will be insightful. Absolutely. Well, it was a pleasure meeting you, Mrs. Mehta. I hope we can connect again during the event. Likewise, Mrs. Sharma, enjoy the conference. Thank you all for being a part of this session, my dear friends, on the formal introduction at business events. We hope you found this conversation useful and feel more confident in professional settings. But this is just the beginning. Spoken English is a skill that grows with practice, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. If you enjoyed this session and want to improve your communication skills further, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. That way, you will never miss an opportunity to enhance your spoken English. And also leave a comment below telling us where you would like to use formal introductions at a conference, an interview, or a network event. We would love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more engaging lessons. Keep practicing and speak with confidence. See you in the next session. If you would like to our video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will be meet with another useful and interesting video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.